What is up, guys? Look at this. Look at where I'm at. I'm in a heaven right now. I am in a amazing shop. And you guys might remember my man Ryan, he's over there. He's with Humble Handcraft. We're gonna check out what he's been up to since we last saw him a few months ago. He did my friend Sloan's van. He's got 3 vans in the shop right now. Three. Big three. This gray one right behind me. So let's go talk to him right now. Now you got 3 vans all right here.
Yep.
Man, you are one busy cat.
Yeah, I've got some help, but yeah, ever since we did Sloan's van, we've been getting quite a bit of interest. So we're doing a lot more vans than tiny houses right now.
Hey, that's okay.
So, yeah, no complaints. I'm liking it.
Nice. Well, you got, this one is, this one's pretty far along. Why don't you kind of give us a rundown of what's going on?
I'd say this one's about 80% done. Still got to build a bed right here that's going the rear end of the van. And then, yeah, I got some power supply cabinetry up in front. Yeah, we got cedar, 1/2-inch tongue and groove paneling.
Yeah, let's get in, man.
On the walls.
So this is all tongue and groove?
Yeah, yep, exactly. 1/2-inch. Yeah, I special order this material. It's actually resawn from reclaimed built bridge timbers.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, it's eco-salvaged material,
Nice.
but really nice and lightweight, mold resistant, all those good things. And then
This cedar's mold resistant?
Oh yeah.
That's
yeah,
so awesome.
It's inherent in the quality of the wood.
One of my favorite countertops I've actually seen is this one right here. This thing looks awesome in person.
Thanks, dude. Yeah, this is walnut, and it's about 1 inch thick. Did a custom cutout cutting board for the sink there, and then we have the swivel table for the swivel seats.
On one of my favorite table legs that is out there right now, the Lagoon.
Yeah, Lagoon's pretty awesome.
What a design!
Yeah.
Did you come up with this?
Yeah, you know, it was actually an afterthought. So the kitchen counter in,
Yeah.
and dialed in that cabinet, and then I figured why not add a table so she can do her work right here.
Yep.
So it's kind of one of those organic freestyle flow type of situations.
And the beautiful thing about Lagoons is those tables will go up and down. And
Yeah, so you can adjust the height.
you can adjust it all right there
And
on
you
that
can
on that
also
plate.
take it over here, get it out of your way,
Yep, and it goes right on top.
add your surface area if you're cooking.
What's going in behind you?
We've got overhead storage up here. We're gonna add some hydraulic lifts to hold those up, some latches, and then over here is the fridge.
Oh,
So
cool.
right behind the driver's seat, we'll have the fridge, and then we're gonna build a custom cabinet around the Yeti 1400. Goal Zero, shout out. We do custom solar kits as well, and then we'll have some book casing for book storage, and switches are right there, USB ports, that sort of thing.
This is like a lot of closet space.
Yeah, so she's got hanging space for her clothes in here. There's some more storage underneath, and we have these drawers we're still working on, but they're in.
They're there.
And then we've got a foot pump actually right here, so she'll be able to.
Save on energy.
Yeah, we don't have
That's
to
pretty
install
cool.
any power there.
That's pretty
But
cool.
she's got an outlet there, USB port there, and you're standing on her bed.
I'm standing in her bed.
There's gonna be a keyboard too that swings out from under the bed, and she's gonna have a stool, and she's gonna be able to play her tunes.
While we're walking over to the other van,
Yeah, we'll show you a quick tour of our other 2. We have the high roof Transit.
it's pretty cool. What we were just in, by the way, was a ProMaster, right?
Yeah, that's a 2500. And this is the mid-length, I think, as well, but the high roof.
Yeah. Is that the high roof or super high roof?
This is the super high.
It's a super high.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of room.
Yeah, you got plenty of room up there.
What I really love about this one is the contouring shape that comes in this one. So we had to build out a custom rafter for support for these guys to bend on. Really cool shape.
This is so
Pretty happy
much
with it.
different, which is so weird. We were just in the ProMaster, but it has like a different feel.
This is the wiring. So like having to reroute the wire is just like impossible, at least for me and my skills. But
Is this the installation that Sloan had?
yeah, so we actually had extra
Oh, you did?
We were able to put it in this van here.
Thanks a lot.
But we're actually going with wool, and I'll show you in the other van.
Yeah. Dude, what's the plan for this one before we get even over to that one?
Okay, so we're just doing a big bed platform here.
Yep.
Refrigerator here again, and then a little simple kitchen counter with a little sink. And that's about it. This one's gonna be just real simple, modest build.
Are you doing all the electrical?
Yeah. Yep.
Nice.
Yeah,
So
we're doing low voltage, some 110 stuff. Got an inverter. I think we might go with the same Yeti Goal Zero.
Oh, cool.
I'm trying to fit that into the budget, but we'll see.
Are you cutting a window in with a
No windows?
No door?
Windows.
No.
But this will have plywood, but upholstered walls.
So, upholstered?
Yeah, so we'll have fabric on the walls, which will be pretty different, but cool.
That'll be really cool.
Yeah, it gives some contrast with the darkened cedar. We'll throw on some oil there, and
let's go over to this this low roof.
yeah, let's check it out. I'll give you a shot.
Yeah, because actually this is like a mid roof, right?
Yeah, so this is the mid roof. Yeah, exactly.
This thing looks cool on the outside. I'll give it a quick look at the outside because it's got the BF Goodrich already ready to go. The all-terrains, obviously nice rims. How tall are you?
I am 5'11".
So you have to duck a little bit.
I just barely can stand up, but I can get in here, you know, for one spot.
There you go. I'm 5'8". I actually fit. I fit with like a half inch. Yeah, this is.
The bed's gonna go this way, so I'm gonna picture frame out a little cubby here.
Yep.
And then frame out a bed so they can sleep sideways.
Yep.
And then utilize this space right here for a bench, and then a refrigerator, and then another little kitchen counter with a sink over there.
Nice.
Another foot pump.
And the only windows are the ones that are behind you?
Exactly.
Cool.
Yeah, we're not adding any of this rig. This is another simple, modest build, but it's geared more towards adventure, travel, weekend getaway type of situation.
I was super excited when I saw this because of the insulation that's used, because I'm going to be using it in my new build.
Yeah, loving it. It's the Havelock wool insulation. No mold issues, good with humidity. And then when you're sleeping in here, you have clean air. You don't have to worry about shit getting in your lungs. And
I believe it's a sound dampener too.
yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it just sounds way better in here from when we first started, when it was just a blank cargo.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's so much easier to work with. Do you want to say? Do you want to say how many you used? How many like bags?
Yeah, we used just over 4 bags.
Yeah, which is a good amount.
Yeah, so we're stuffing in, you know.
This thing's gonna be
crevices up there.
insulated. Yeah.
We really packed it in with a stick, and then in these big voids here, you know, you can use quite a bit.
Yeah, it looks that way, huh?
Yeah, it's really good stuff.
I'll put it because I'm gonna be using him in the future. I'll put his stuff in the description below.
Probably gonna be a game changer in the van life world.
I think so. What else you got planned for the shop, dude? Because I know you have like a bunch of stuff that you're thinking about doing.
Yeah, so I do furniture stuff on the side, but
And we'll get out of the light.
Are keeping the shop alive right now, so we're just focusing more on vans at the moment.
Yeah.
Got another transit on the way. It's coming.
Do you really?
Weekend, yeah.
Wow.
They're high-rise.
Nice. So you're gonna have this one's gonna be done pretty soon.
Yeah, that one probably another couple of weeks, and it'll be out to the owner, and she'll be living in it.
And hopefully, eventually, you'll get some more furniture up and running.
Yeah, that's the goal. That's the ultimate goal, is start doing more slab tables.
What are you doing with this board over here?
That's actually a bench top.
For the ProMaster client?
No, it's a Mercedes mattress van. Built a bench sofa.
Are you working on a Mercedes mattress too?
Yeah, I did the interior of that one like maybe 3 months ago.
Oh, really?
And now she wants a bench, so it's just like a slowly upgraded thing. 3
Nice.
months.
And you use that same walnut from the ProMaster?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that stuff is nice.
Yeah, it's really nice stuff, especially when you oil it up.
We're coming to the end here. Where can they find you, dude?
You can go to my Instagram. I've got an Instagram. You find me at Humble Handcraft.
Yeah.
And my website, www.humblehandcraft.com.
Guys, check him out, because
Please do.
you've done now Salone's van, you got these 3, you did this mattress you just talked about, you've done tiny homes in the past.
Yeah, I've done a lot of tiny homes.
You've done a bunch of tiny homes, yeah.
Expanding on the van craft as of now, which is fun. I'm digging it.
You're liking it a lot, huh?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna build myself a van next couple months.
Yeah,
I
right.
hope.
Yeah, with what time?
If there's any woodworkers out there too looking for a job,
In the
hit me up.
in the Oxnard area.
Yeah, Ventura County.
Ventura County area.
Yeah, if you want to travel to Ventura, we're right here next to the beach. Pretty cool
You are
location.
right near the beach.
Yeah, it's really like a stone throw away.
Yeah, I drove past it on the way here.
Surf breaks.
There you go. So any woodworkers looking for a job, don't bombard him too much. You can bother me if you want.
It'll be my screening process.
I'll be, you go through me to get to Ryan. But no, he's obviously a really cool dude to work with. So any obviously good woodworkers, I don't think you have time to train people.
Yeah, it depends. If they're hungry enough, I might.
Ooh, there you go. I mean, he's named Humble Handcraft for a reason, guys. Look how humble this guy is.
Thanks.
He's a cool guy. But guys, if you guys are looking for a van build, check him out. Call him. I don't know what you do for consultations.
Yeah, just email. We've got a form on the website too if you've got
There you
a
go.
van that you're looking to build out. We've got a bunch of items to choose from. You can send those over. We'll get back to you.
Guys, check him out. Ryan, Humble Handcraft, also his website, humblehandcraft.com. Please check him out. Like, I stand by his work. Obviously, I've been inside of now what? I've technically been inside 4 of your vans
True.
that you've done.
True.
He's really good. He just saw my new Sprinter. What
Yeah,
do you
I'm
think?
stoked for you, man. It's
Yeah?
a really nice set of wheels.
Thanks, man.
It's gonna be really cool.
Bring him a 2019 Sprinter so he can build one of those out.
I'm up for it.
Yeah.
For sure, yeah.
Yeah, I actually kind of want to purchase wood off of him because he has, I don't know who your supplier is, but he gets really good wood.
Yeah, I've got a few guys I go through, but yeah, like I said, I've been doing it for a while, so.
You're a 3rd generation?
Yeah, my grandpa was carpenter.
Yeah. You're a 3rd generation carpenter.
Finished carpenters.
Yeah, really? Obviously knows what he's doing.
Trying, I'm still learning, but yeah,
We're always going to be learning.
definitely.
You know,
yeah,
especially in this craftsmanship type work.
Yeah.
We're always going to learn.
definitely.
Now, you've officially now built inside of all 3 of the major brands.
Yeah.
The Ford, the Transit, he's got 2 of them.
Yeah, they're not done yet,
The
but
ProMaster.
we're almost there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Yep.
And the Sprinter from Sloan.
Yep.
And you did a Mercedes Metris, which is the small van style.
Little compact
Yeah.
unit, yeah.
So you've worked in all of them.
Yeah, so we'll take any van that comes here, really.
Yeah, why not?
Any shape and
Ford
size.
Ecoline, you'll do anything.
Yeah, yeah.
You'll do a Land
Totally.
Cruiser, whatever.
That'd be fun.
Right?
Truck camper.
The truck camper action?
Bring it, yeah.
Bring it on.
Bring it.
Ryan says bring it to him. All right, guys, hit him up. This is going to be the end. If you got any questions, you can either hit me up or you can try and hit up Ryan.
Take care,
Later.
Peace.